After applying a liquid lipstick, do your lips also look dry, patchy and shapeless like this? Or do you always wish or dream to have fuller lips like these models? In this video, I'm going to share some useful lipstick hacks that every girl should know, and it will definitely answer your questions, so let's get started. Before you apply any lipstick on your lips, it is necessary to scrub and moisturize your lips. So I'm using this Dega scrubber to scrub my lips. You can also use a DIY scrubber, that is mixing honey and sugar together, and you can use it as a lip scrubber, which is really good and moisturizing for your lips. So scrubbing your lips will help to get rid of dead skin cells and will give a smooth canvas for application of your lipstick on your lips. After scrubbing, take a lip balm of your choice and apply it all over your lips. This will make your lips feel baby soft. Also, it will prevent your lips feel dry because of liquid matte lipsticks, which comes with extremely lip drying formula. Many of us do not have same lip color on upper and lower lips. They are usually different and pigmented. So due to pigmented lips, the color of the lipstick do not really pop. For this problem, I have a solution in which you have to apply concealer all over your lips. In this process, we are making your lips a plain canvas which is ready for application of any lipstick. It is a good idea to always use a lip liner to line your lips, which will provide a good definition and shape to your lips. The color of lip liner should be same to your lipstick, or else it could be a little bit darker than the lip shade that you are using. While lining my lip, I am overlining my lower lips so that it will give a fuller lip-like effect. Also, while overlining the upper lips part, don't overdo overlining process over there because it can really mess up the look. The Ombre Effect lips is so much in trend nowadays, so let's see how it is done. For that, you require a darker lip shade and a lighter lip shade. So moving to the step 1, first I am going to take the darker shade and I am going to again overline the lips using this dark shade. You guys have to follow the same process that what I am showing in this video while overlining the lips with the darker shade. After this, you have to take the lighter shade, and can you see the empty space between my lips? You have to apply the light shade exactly over there. So this is how you're going to get the ombre effect. After applying that lighter lipstick on the empty space, you have to gently press your lips. Pressing your lips against each other like this will help to blend the light and dark color together, and this will help to give a gradient like ombre effect on your lips. Now to get fuller and glossy lips like the supermodels. For that, you only need one single product, that is applying lip gloss. So nowadays you get different colors and variant of lip gloss. You can prefer any of your choice. You can go for a clear lip gloss as well as you can go for a colored lip gloss. In this video, I am using a colored lip gloss which is similar to the lipstick shade that I have wore. You guys can clearly notice the difference, that how beautifully plump and fuller my lips are looking right now just by adding this gloss. While removing lipstick, at the first never use a micellar water. Instead of that, you can use an oil. In this video, I am using a coconut oil. Over here, first I am taking the coconut oil on the cotton pad, and then I am going to apply it and remove my lipstick with help of it. After this is done, now I will be using a micellar water for removing the remaining lipstick from my lips. I hope you guys find this video helpful. So make sure you hit the like button, comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.